Hey everyone, Dale here with Renewable Innovations. This video is a simple walkthrough on how to use our online solar plus battery estimator and how to understand the estimate it generates. The tool is designed to give homeowners a fast starting point for solar and battery pricing without needing to schedule a sales appointment first. The estimate is based on a turnkey system, which means it includes the major parts of the project from the system design, plans, permitting, all the equipment, installation, and of course servicing it all. We do our best to make this as simple as getting an insurance quote online. The main piece of information you'll want before getting started is your annual energy usage in kilowatt hours. You can usually find this through your utility provider's online portal under energy usage, billing history, or electricity usage. If you don't see it online, a quick phone call to your utility company can actually, and in most cases usually, get you the information no problem. Once you have your annual energy usage, head over to the Renewable Innovations website, go to the Tools menu and select Solar Estimate. From there, the tool will ask you a few simple questions. The first question is your utility provider. For example, if you're in Southern California Edison territory, you would select Southern California Edison. If you're within San Diego Gas and Electric, Pacific Gas and Electric, LADWP, or another provider, select the option that most closely matches your utility. California has a lot of utility providers, so if yours is not listed, choose the closest available option or contact us for help. The next question is how much solar production you want. This is usually shown as an offset percentage. 100% offset means the system is estimated to produce about the same amount of electricity you used over that last year. Personally, I usually recommend homeowners look somewhere around 120 to 150%, especially if you're expecting your electricity usage to increase in the future. For example, if you're planning to buy an electric vehicle, add a heat pump, build an ADU, or use more electricity over time, this is where you may want to increase the offset. For this example, I'm going to change the default from 100% to 120%. Next, the tool will ask about your roofing material. This might be asphalt shingles, concrete tile, clay tile, lightweight tile, flat roof, or metal roof. If you're not sure what type of roof you have, you can usually tell from a quick photo, or you can ask us when you submit your estimate. Most homeowners in California are either asphalt shingle or concrete tile. So for this example, I'm going to leave it on asphalt shingles. The next question is about roof pitch. Most homes are under 30 degrees. So if you're not sure, leaving the default selection is usually perfectly fine. Steeper roofs do come up from time to time, but they are not as common. Now we get to the most important number, your annual energy usage in kilowatt hours. This is where you'll enter the amount of electricity your home used over the last 12 months. In this example, I'm going to enter 8,760 kilowatt hours, but you'll want to use your actual number from your utility bill or online utility account. After that, the tool will ask whether you want to include an electrical panel upgrade. A lot of homes in California still have 100 amp panels. While solar and battery systems can sometimes be installed on smaller panels, using power control systems, many homeowners choose to upgrade to a 200 amp panel while they're already doing the solar project. Bundling the panel upgrade with the solar and battery installation can also be more cost effective than doing it separately later. For this example, I'm going to leave it set to no. The next question asks whether you want to include a hardwired level 2 EV charger. If you already own an electric vehicle or you're planning to purchase one soon, this is a good time to include it. The charger can be installed at the same time as the solar and battery system, which can make the overall project cleaner and more efficient. For this example, I'm going to leave it off. The last major question is battery backup. For most homeowners in California, adding a battery is usually recommended because it helps you get more value from your solar system, store energy for later use, and reduce your reliance on the utility grid altogether. We offer several battery options, but if you're not sure where to start, selecting one Tesla Powerwall 3 or one Powerwall 3 with an expansion battery is usually a good place to begin. Remember, this is an instant estimate and you're in control. You can generate the estimate, review the results, then go back and change the options to see how the price changes. Once everything is filled out, click that Generate Estimate button. Now, the tool will show you the estimated system details. In this example, based on the information I entered, the tool is recommending a 6.4 kilowatt solar system using 15 Qcell Qtron 430 watt modules. It also includes the battery option I selected, which is one Tesla Powerwall 3 with 13.5 kilowatt hours of usable capacity. The tool also estimates the annual solar production. In this example, it shows about 10,436 kilowatt hours per year, which is close to that 120% offset we selected earlier. Then you'll see the estimated project cost. For this example, the system is estimated at $28,348. Your price may be higher or lower depending on your roof type, system size, battery selection, electrical panel, EV charger option, and the actual site conditions. The tool also provides an estimated 25-year savings number and a return on investment period. These are estimates, not guarantees, but they are helpful for understanding whether the system may make financial sense over time. In this example, the estimated net 25-year savings is $56,493, and the estimated return on investment is around 11 years. If you want to move forward, or if you simply want to see a more detailed proposal, click Email My Full Proposal. This is where you'll enter your contact information so we can save your estimate and review the details. After you submit the form, our team can generate a more accurate design using professional solar design software that allows us to create 3D model of your roof, confirm the panel placement, account for shading, roof slope, and roof orientation, as well as verifying the system production. This is important because the online tool uses general calculations. It's a great starting point, but it is not a final design. If the tool estimates a 120% offset, but the detailed design shows the layout only reaches 110%, we'll adjust the system and add panels if needed to match the goal you had requested. You can also use the tool to compare against another quote. If you already received a proposal from another company, you can adjust the solar offset, battery selection, or add-ons until the system size is closer to what you were quoted. That gives you a better apples to apples comparison. The main goal of this tool is transparency. We want homeowners to have a realistic idea of pricing before getting into a full proposal process. So there's no pressure, no sales appointments required just to see a number, and no guessing what a solar and battery system might cost. Well, that's it for this walkthrough. I hope this helped explain how to use the Solar Plus Battery Estimator and how to understand the results it gives you. I'm Dale with Renewable Innovations, and I look forward to seeing your design request come on through.